Good morning, children. Today I am present with two more kinds of advertisement. These two are about missing, and second is about lost and found. So let's first discuss the features of the advertisement missing. Features of missing person or pet. So first point is start with missing. If the advertisement is about missing, then it may be a pet or it may be any person. So in both the cases, we have to start with the same word missing. Start this kind of advertisement with the word missing. If animal, mention the species and breed. If any animal is missing, then we have to describe its species or its breed. If human, name, age, and details of dress worn at the time of disappearance. In the case of human being, in the case of a man, a boy, a girl, we have to write the name, we have to write the age of a boy or a girl or a man, and the dress which was worn by him or her on the particular day when he or she disappeared. Details of appearance. Details of appearance, details of look will give in the both cases whether an animal is missing or a man is missing. A man is missing. In all the cases, we have to give the appearance. Suppose an animal is missing, then what is the color of that animal? What is the size? If there is any patch on its body, or if a boy, girl, man, woman are missing, then what is the height? What is the size? Fat, thin, complexion. So appearance will give in both the cases, whether it is a pet or any person. Date and time of missing, place of missing. Date, time, place, day. We'll mention these things in both the cases, whether animals are missing or a person is missing. When did the person disappear? When did the animal disappear? What was the time? On which day? From which place? We will mention these things. If human, the language is spoken. In the case of a person, we will mention the languages spoken by the person. The person speaks which languages. Suppose he is the speaker of Hindi language. He speaks English also. He speaks Tamil. So all the languages spoken by him or her we will mention. If animal, answers to name of the animal. In the case of a person, we mention the name, but in the case of animal, we don't mention the name, we simply mention that on this name the animal will respond, the animal will answer. Why? Because the animal will itself not tell its name. So you have to write, you have to mention that on the name of Rocky, on the name of Tommy, on the name of Kitty, my pet responds. Any additional information will be suitably rewarded. You can give some more description if you have, or at last you have to write the informer to be suitably rewarded. The person informing will be suitably rewarded. This line is common. You may write this line with any kind of adverb regarding missing. Inform contact details. And at last, contact details. And then at the top, we'll write the topic, missing person, then a person, pet, then which kind of pet, missing a cat, missing a dog, missing a young boy, missing a young girl, missing a young man, missing an old man. So such kind of title we'll write, and then it will be enclosed in a box. So once again, the features of the advertisement for missing. So the first point is start with the word missing. Second, in the case of animal, we have to mention the species and breed. Number 3, in the case of a human being, we have to write name, age, and the dress worn by the person at the time of disappearance. Then time, date, day, and place of missing. In the case of animal, the name on which the animal responds. At last, the informer will be suitably rewarded. We'll write, and then contact details. Now see the question. Your pet dog has gone missing. Draft an advertisement for the missing columns of the local daily giving all the relevant details. Now the solved example. So first of all, you will give the title dog missing. As dog is missing, so you will give the title dog missing. In the same way, you may write cat missing, a young man missing, a young boy missing. Then the very first feature is it will be started with the word missing. So here you can see that the missing word is written missing. Number 2, in the case of animal, you have to mention the breed or species. So here breed is mentioned. Retriever, this is the breed of a dog. Then appearance. So here the appearance of dog is given golden yellow color, white patch behind right ear. In the feature you have also read that the name on which the pet responds. So here it is given answers to the name of Ruby. In the same way you can write answers to the name of Kitty, Tommy, Moti. But you are not going to write the same thing in the case of a person. Directly you have to mention the name of a person. Missing since 9 a.m. Monday from Children's Park. This sentence you can use with the case of human being also. MC wrote, informer to be suitably rewarded. This line will be also common in both the cases. At last, contact details are given. Inform, Thanis 21, Skyline Apartments, MG Road, Kochi. So this way you can also write any kind of advertisement regarding missing, whether it is about any human being or any pet. So that was your advertisement about missing. Now let's come to the next advertisement, and this is about lost or found. So let's see the features of lost or found. So let's see the features of lost and found. So the first feature is start with lost or found. So the first point is, if you are going to write any advertisement about any lost thing, then you will start with the word lost. And if you are going to write any advertisement about anything found, then you will start with the word found. Mention the time and date. Mention the place where it was found, lost. Now the second point is, you will mention the time, day, whether you are going to write about any lost or about any found. If you have found anything and you are going to write advertisement, then also you will mention the date, on which date you found, on which day you found, at which time you found. And if you have lost and you are going to write the advertisement about the lost thing, then also when it was lost, where it was lost, on which day it was lost. But one thing, children, if you are writing any advertisement about the lost thing, then there is no certainty about time and about place. Sometimes we don't remember that when did we lose, where did we lose. So in that case, approx time and approx place you can give, that after recess we are not I am not finding, after break I am not finding, uh, after evening I am not getting. So approx time you can give in the case of lost. But in the case of found, you have to give the exact time, exact place. Object description. Do not give full details of the item found. Then you have to describe the object which you have lost. But children, in the case of found, you have not to give the full description. Why? Because if you are describing in a complete way, if you are giving the complete description, full description, then maybe so many persons will come to claim. So, in the case of found, you have not to describe it fully. If found, rightful owner may claim the name the object with right identification and details of content. In the case of found, you will have to write the line that the rightful person, the rightful owner come and collect the thing, collect the item, collect the object by giving the full details or any identification. But in the case of lost, you have not to write this line. Why? Because in the case of lost, already the person concerned has described the object in a complete way. Full description has been already given by the person concerned. So this line you have not to give in the case of lost. In the case of found only, you have to mention this line. Which line? That a person concerned, the rightful owner, come and collect the thing, giving the full details and identification. If lost, mention the identification marks. If the advertisement is about lost, then you'll have to write the full description including identification mark. Identification. If lost, mention the if lost will be suitably rewarded. Contact details. If the advertisement is about lost, then you must write the line, the person finding the object will be suitably rewarded. The informer will be suitably rewarded. But in the case of found, you will not mention the line, because you cannot mention that the person who has lost will be suitably rewarded. So this line will be only when anything is lost. Then you can write that the person who has found will be suitably rewarded. The informer will be suitably rewarded. And at last, you have to give the contact details. So children, let's see the features once again about lost and found. First one is start with the word lost or found. Number 2, mention the date, day and time. Number 3, mention the place where it was found or lost. Number 4, the details of object. which is lost or found. But in the case of found, full description is not to be mentioned, otherwise so many persons make claim. In the case of found, you have to include the line, the person who claims may collect, giving the full description and identification. In the case of lost, you may mention the identification, full identification. In the case of lost, you have to write will be suitably rewarded. The informer will be suitably rewarded. And at last, contact details. So these are all about the advertisement, lost and found. Let's see the question. You are Anis. You lost your property documents near the North Overbridge, Coromandel Street, Chennai. Draft an advertisement for the same. So first of all, topic lost documents. Suppose if it is about found documents, then the topic will be here found documents. We have to start with the word lost. So here it is given lost. If suppose the title would be found documents, then here you will write found. Then time, date, day you have to mention in both the cases. So here time is mentioned, day is mentioned, last Monday, documents of property located at Chennai North. So name of the object you have to give in both the cases where the object is found or lost. Suppose here the object lost is documents of property, and if suppose it would be found, then also you would mention the object found last Monday, documents of property located at Chennai North. But this is full details. So you would avoid in the case of found. In the case of found, you will not write located at Chennai North. Lost near North Over Bridge. So where was it lost? In which place was it lost? Is mentioned here. In the case of found also you could mention here. Found near North Over Bridge, Coromandel Street. Wrapped in newspaper and put inside a red plastic cover. So this is identification. This is full description. You have to avoid it in the case of found. In the case of found, you have to write a person who claims may collect, giving the full description and identification. Informer would be suitably rewarded. In the case of found, you have to not mention this line. At last, contact details. So here children, we have seen the features of the advertisement lost and found and the solved example also. So I think you may do it easily. So with this, I am going to end my session. Thanks.